All right, so there it is. The roof wrap is all completed. To be honest with you, the roof wrap has been on there for about a month, maybe 2 months now, and so far it's so good. I highly recommend Avery vinyl. It's a very easy vinyl to work with. Oh God, it is cold out here. But also, I really wanted the Steck, I think it's Steck, which is a colored paint protection film, which I think looks a lot more high-end than just regular vinyl. But there it is. Sorry, this wasn't a full tutorial install video on how to install a roof wrap, but there's many videos online on how to do that. So far, so happy. Now, you guys probably saw me install the vinyl on the antenna. Now, keep in mind, that takes a lot of trial and error to do just right. If you have trouble doing it the way that I did, I suggest just doing it in 2 pieces. But there it is. Love the way the roof looks when it's all blacked out. Yes, I know, I'm gonna get my windows tinted soon. Okay, so here we are, grill. Once again, if you saw my previous video, I don't know if it's a previous video or the video before that, I told you guys about this little gap right here. I was having a little fitment issue, hardly noticeable. I know it's kind of nitpicky, but it is what it is. So what you guys didn't see off camera was I did try to refit this grill a few times, unsuccessful, but I will admit I was in a hurry because it started to rain and I just wanted to get the bumper back on the car. But here we are again. I'm just gonna take the bumper off, try to refit this again. Hopefully it fits better, because to be honest with you, I don't think I gave the company a fair chance as far as the fitment goes, but I think I'll be able to get it. And if I jacked it up, hey, I'm not afraid to admit that I was wrong. But all right, so bumper is now off the car. Let's go ahead and try to refit this grill. I was having issues with this corner up here. Let's try to fit that. Pushing it in all the way. Okay, so just a follow-up on the fitment of the grill. So after taking the grill off, loosening everything, tightening everything down, I pulled here, pushed here, had my son help me screw everything down, and so far you can see the fitment is absolutely perfect now. It's pretty much even on the right side. So it could have been just an install error on my part. I'm not afraid to admit that when I first installed the grill, but right now the install or the fitment is absolutely perfect. So some of you have asked how I installed the Rally Armor mud flaps with the OEM JDM bezels. Well, actually it's pretty easy. So I took the mud flaps off just for demonstration purposes only, as if I were going to install them for the very first time. So here it is. As you can see, so the OEM brackets come with this bracket in order to mount these little pieces right here. And all I did was take the bracket that comes with the Rally Armor kit and stuck it in behind there. And it's kind of tricky, but this is gonna have to go on top of there. Stick it behind this. It's gonna be very tight. It's gonna be very tricky if you're doing it for the first time. Let me just take this out real quick. There's that. Now you have the bracket for the JDM bezels. I'll stick it in front of that bracket. Keep in mind, it's gonna be very tight. And there you go. So this nut I have to replace because it's old. It's the original one. It's getting rusty, so I have to replace that. So first thing I'm gonna do is secure the JDM or this OEM piece. I think that's an 8mm. One thing I should have done first was take one of the pop clips and stick it on the bottom. Here's just a quick tip for you guys. If you guys have stubborn, what you call it, pop clips, just put them under the sink for a few minutes and it'll get all that dirt out of it and it'll go in and out nice and freely, just like this. So the pop clip is gonna go at the bottom. Let's stuck the pop clip in. There you go. There we go. One other thing that you can do, you can drill a hole in your mud flap if you want to secure it further with this bolt down here. You guys can't even see that. So just a better view, all I had to do was make a hole in the mud flap in order to install this bolt right here for the JDM splash guard. But that's about it. Went in really easy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, and just a quick grill update for you. I just want to say big thanks to SubiSpeed for sending out a replacement grill. If you haven't seen my first grill video on the OLM JDM style grill, but we're gonna unbox this live on camera, so you guys will be seeing the quality of the grill the same time I am. So let's do this. All right, let's get this out of the box. You can see it's still sealed. I have not opened this yet. This just came in yesterday. It was on my front porch. Didn't see it till now. Sitting on my porch overnight. Good thing no one stole it. Oh yeah, check this out. Let me adjust the camera real quick. There you go. Awesome. Oh, I can already tell it is much better than the old one. Well, still a little few paint flakes, but looks like, yeah. Huh. Not bad, I must say. Overall happy. I'm happy with it. So big thanks to SubiSpeed for sending me out a replacement. So very grateful for that. And if you're interested in this grill, check out the link below.
It was all a dream. I used to